Hi guys, so on today's video I'm going to show you how to install press-on nails from the comfort of your home. So first I am going to dehydrate my nails and remove any oils on my nail bed. I am using acetone because I do not have alcohol. You can use alcohol or nail polish remover to dehydrate your nails. And you're going to be using this brush on nail glue, and I have my nails arranged in order from my thumb to my pinky. So when you order your nails from Adhiambo Beauty, they are going to come with this nail glue and a cuticle pusher. So now this is how you install them. You're going to apply the nail glue on your natural nail evenly. Apply it evenly for easy application, and then you're going to take your nail, press it on your natural nail and press it on. You're going to press it on for about 10 to 15 seconds, and by pressing, this ensures that there are no air bubbles in between your natural nail and the press-on nails. So you're going to press it down, and then after that you are done, and moving forward to the next nail. I'll repeat the process again. Apply it on your natural nail evenly, then take the right nail for the specific nail press on nail for the specific nail, and press it on your natural nail for 10 to 15 seconds. And that's it, you guys. That's how easy it is to install these press-on nails from Adhiambo Beauty. And if you'd like to get these nails, you can order them from me on Instagram at Adhiambo Beauty. And all nails are custom made, which means they won't be the same. So feel free to send in your designs so that you can custom make your nails. And of course, also you can choose from the few designs that we have on our page. So guys, this is how easy it is to do your nails at home. And typically these nails last me for about 3 to 4 weeks, depending on the amount of work I do, because as you know, I do all my chores. So order your nails today. They're so much affordable, and they come with some accessories. They come with a cuticle pusher and a nail file, which will enable you to prep your nail before installing this. And the nails also come with a nail glue, and as you can see, the nail glue is quite a lot, which means it will last you for some time, or even if your nail comes off by mistake, you can be able to put it back on. So that's it for today's video, you guys. Feel free to like, share and comment, and if you're not yet a subscriber, also subscribe to this channel. We are all about DIY, hair and a little bit of beauty. So this is the final look of how the nails look like. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye you guys. Love and light. Bye bye.